am Lindsey and I teach for the Virginia Virtual Academy under K12. There are so many things that I love about teaching online. I really wanted some flexibility. As I had my own daughter, I wanted to be able to be a really great mom, but also a really great teacher. Oftentimes people ask me, oh, you teach online? Oh, you teach second graders. How does that work? It's like such a simple answer of like, it just does. The students get to have a wonderful, rich curriculum that K12 provides. And what's really nice for them is that they can do it anytime in their day and they don't have to stress. Another great thing that I want families to know is that we as teachers work really hard to differentiate and match our instruction to what their child needs in math and reading and all the subjects. I make a point in every single class to have some sort of social engagement of a fun little question to get them giggling, to get them talking with one another. At the very beginning of the year, it is super important to me to call every single family and to talk to the learning coaches and to talk to the students. For all the sweet students that are starting, I would say welcome. You've come to an awesome school and an awesome program, and we are here to support you. When I was in third grade, I had a wonderful teacher. Her name was Miss Wallace, and she had not only a heart to teach us, but she had a heart to see us grow into people that loved well and that served others well. And she taught us to do that by her own example. Every single day, like, that's my goal.